Okay, so here I'm just using the timestamp. So timestamp is like date and time, both combination it comes. Previous one, current date which we are done, that is only date it comes because we selected data type is a date. Okay, so it comes only month, date, year, or date, month, year, something. Okay, but when it is come to the timestamp, so it is like a date and time also. Okay, so then this is also a measure field, and yeah, so here we can add the date. Okay, so but suppose today is fixed date, I want to make it. Okay, but suppose then date. So here, okay, so we need to enter like your current date, but suppose like it 2023. This is the year, and month is 05, and date is 13. Okay, and time, so hours, minutes, seconds, right? So hours, I just give the 09, minutes 40, seconds something 20, like that I'm just giving. Okay, and yeah, format I want to like a 6 7. Okay, then 10, 10 is for date and 4 is the, okay. So this is I want to make a fixed. Okay, in such a cases we can give the fix. Okay, then two brackets are open and then two brackets are closed. Okay, so and come to, okay, so some functions you want to do on top of this, like a mathematics. Okay, so let me first we can execute this. Save, activate, no error. Can go for the execute. Let me go to the raw data. Okay, see, this is the today's date and time. Okay, so 9:14. I just given everything as a fixed, so then it came as a fixed. Okay, so you want to do some calculations, then mathematic. Okay, so we have a, we can take it a one more okay, column for, for calculation purpose. Okay, so conversions just I'm just taking, and this is the decimals. Okay, because calculations, right? Conversions and all. Then we can go for the measure set here. Okay, and here like a round of value you want to make it, then we can choose the round of value. Okay, so round of, just double click on it. So here we need to give the uh, like example which format you require. So that format it comes at output level. Okay, but suppose we want to negative values, then we can give the negative values like with the thousands. Okay, we use the comma, right? Thousands, but okay, so globally system like US base level, we give the dot, and the decimals we give the comma. Okay, so yeah, then we can give okay, save and activate. I think I missed any columns. Mm, okay, let me activate, execute it, preview. So now it is added one more column with conversions. Okay, whatever I given value. So minus, okay, so it came decimals. Why it is not coming decimals? Okay, I given as a one. So maybe let me give the two decimals. it should come with the decimals. Maybe I given wrong way. Let me check. Conversions. Let me try with comma dot. Oops. That comma and what is the error? Okay. Yeah. This comma and dot only error. I think it is round off only. Okay. But we given two decimals. Okay, okay. Maybe top I'm not given this one. Correct. Okay. So this is the decimal. How many decimals you want it? So here we have to specify. And this is the length for this decimal field around 34. By default it came and better I will give like around 15 and two decimals like this. Okay. Then it will come. Yeah, sorry. I missed this decimal point. Now success. Then we can go for the preview. Go for the raw data. Check the data. Okay. So now we got the decimal. Okay, so round off means like what is the value we given? Like 1, 2, 3. Let me go again. Uh, we given value is 4. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it is considered as a round of value as a next value. Okay, so which is the greater than 5. Okay, then it comes in next value. All right, so 4 it came like a 5 because here we have a bigger value. Okay, so it went to 5. So like that, it get the next values, round of value. Okay. So for suppose I want to add the dates. Okay. So then how we can add? Okay. One more. I'm going to create it. One more column. Add date something. So these are all the functions how we can do. So I'm just going for this add dates. Okay. So here I'm going to use the date. Okay. So add the measure and here functions. Let me go for the functions. So add dates. We have already we seen right earlier. So add dates. Yeah, this is the one. How many dates you want to add it? Okay. So here we need to specify the date. Okay, like a today's date. Then already we have a current date, right? So this we can keep it at here. Okay, so current underscore date, that is today's date. And how many dates you want to add? Okay. So for suppose two dates I want to add it, then I can mention those. Okay, then we can click on OK. Then okay, then we can save and activate it. Okay, so these are the functions. Okay, and one more function also we can see. Then we can close. Okay, so today is a 13. Okay, top of this 13 and added two more dates. So here it came with the 15. Okay, so now we'll go for the one more functions. Okay, so this is the interesting part, how we can implement the functions and all. Okay, so let me add one more column, like a conversion gross. Already said nothing. Okay, conversion gross. So top of gross amount, I'm going to apply some formula. So I just give the conversion. Okay, so here we can give the in the decimal. Okay, so for varchar and length you want to provide the length something 50. It is a okay. I'm just taking as a okay. So taking as an attribute itself. Okay, so here I'm applying the formula. Okay, so if, sorry, okay, if gross amount, okay, so if it is greater than 100, then okay, so then I would like to make it as a category A 100. Then I would like to make it as a A. If so, that means like a if same thing like category is greater than 400 something, then I would like to make it as a B. Okay, so then okay, else case, that means any other cases, then I would like to make it as a C. Okay, so sometime so some if you like to mention the type of filtering and all, then we can do like this. Okay, let me save. Let me check error. Have a note. Okay, successfully activated, but it is contained with the warning. But still, it is okay. Let me go raw data where it is conversion amount. Yeah, gross conversion. So this is the one. See at here. So based on this amount, gross amount, it is converted. So if it is less than or equal to 100, then those are all come under the A category. Okay. So if it is more, if it is like a more than less than 400 something, then that means above 100 and below 400, then it is come to B category. Okay. So 350, sorry, 330. Okay, so again, so greater than 400, so whatever it is, okay, so those are all come under the C category. Okay, so yeah, so like this, we can do the some functions and all. So, for suppose you want to convert the uppercase description and all, you want to convert to uppercase. Okay, so this also we can see. Let me go one more. So all these are all functions. How we can apply the functions and all. So uppercase you want it. Okay. So I'm just give the upper. So this is attribute. Okay. So generally, yeah, we have a uppercase at here. Functions. Okay. So this is the one. So which one you want to convert to uppercase? But suppose middle description I have, right? So text. Okay. So where it is, then we'll go up. Attribute level we have a text. Okay. Let me give the text. Okay. So let me, okay, specify the length. Yeah. So this, let me give something. It is more description. It is contain more length. Let me give the 80. Okay. So let me show you at here which field I selected. Product. Yeah. Attribute level we have. This is the one. This one we are getting. Okay. Let me open the previous one. So here we have a text. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so this text, it is in upper and lower case, right? So I want to everything convert to uppercase. Okay, let me execute now. Okay, so uppercase, yeah, this is the one. See now, like a description, it is coming in uppercase. Or let me give this one, move to under this one. Let me set. Let me align. We can move actually. I just trying another way also we can. Yeah, just hold it and then drag and drop wherever you require. Okay, so I'll just drag exactly after the description like a text. Okay, see, so both are same, but it is in uppercase. Okay, so yeah, so this is about the like text. Okay, but suppose you want to see the length. Okay, so you want to check the length and all. Okay, so that also possible. Okay, so string length we have. Better I will make it. This length is around 200 uppercase plus 150, or else let me give the 150. Okay, now I would like to get the string length. Okay, for the description string length lng. Okay, so this is also an attribute, and the length I will give. This is only calculating the length. Okay, so how many characters something. So this is okay. I will give the around 20 or okay. So here we can get this string length. I think these are all available in this part. Okay, this functions and all special. Let me type it st or l. Yeah. So string functions level we have. So which field you want to calculate that length? Okay. Description. So text is the description one. So then we can use. So save check and activate. Execute raw data. Okay. String length. See, this is the one. Okay. So 157 for this description. Okay. Let me pull this one. Okay. Here it is there. Okay. So this description length is 157. Okay. And this is 78. This is 59, 60. Okay. So like this, it is going to calculate the length and all. Okay. So these are the functions. Okay. Major functions which we require very frequently. Okay. So we covered that part. Okay. I think for today it is fine. So we'll continue on Monday for rest of today we see the analytical view. So next we'll see the calculation view. Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
So
Shifa.
any doubts up to this, then you can ask. Otherwise, we can close.
No, no doubts from my end.
Okay. Fine then. Okay. So then we can close. Okay. Take care and happy weekend.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.